Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame. First of all, monthly, we see that gold, after creating an overextended market to the upside, after creating a historical high, gold has a strong rejection. Now with that rejection, we saw that gold currently testing this previous monthly low. Now just created a higher low with the previous monthly candle. Primarily we see that a bounce to the upside. What I think that gold might with that bounce go up a little bit upside before dropping again, as we see that after this all-time high creation, what I think that gold might come down again to break this low to grab liquidity from this support, and then we might see later bullish move. So looking at the weekly perspective, we can see that from the weekly, gold has broken out of this long-term channel. Now this is the weekly bullish channel. The price was moving along this channel, and we saw initially a break to the upside, created an all-time high with this weekly candle, followed by a doji. And as expected, if you have seen my previous weekly forex forecast, gold from that zone has dropped, has broken this support level on the weekly. Now this is a against the trend breakout, and anytime we could see a strong reversal even to this to this side, as we see that from the weekly perspective, gold is a long-term bull market with this inverted head and shoulder. The price has broken out and moving along this channel, creating a series of higher high and higher low, and we saw a break to the upside. Now a break to the downside, we could see later a trending to the upside. So it's a long-term bull market. The price now slowly creating an upside. We might see now a pullback to the resistance level. Now if we look at the daily, we can see that today, after the previous daily middleman, previous day, we saw that there was a strong drop, and the price has come to this significant liquidity zone. This is a very important daily support. We see that this daily candle in fact crossed back to back 3 days low, and below this candle is a huge liquidity. The price still did not test this level. What I think that either respecting this level, we could see daily candle going to the upside, or we could see later during the news we might see a spike down, and then we could see that gold reversing back to the upside. So let's see which one is likely to happen and how we can find a trading opportunity. Now this is the intraday price action. As you can see, 4 hour candle with this bullish candle, this one is forming a kind of middleman, is still not close. Based on how this candle is closing, what I think that we might see another lower time frame move to the upside, as we saw that gold from this support level created a smooth trend line, and from this trend line gold has a bounce to the upside. And as you can see, this is the long-term support has already been broken. The price has dropped well below. What I think that after little pullback towards the downside, we might see further bullish move, as the market already dropped well below. We could see on the lower time frame the price is going for a pullback, and we could see even breaking this previous swing high to grab liquidity. So if we look at further lower time frame, from the 15 minutes price section, we see that this is a local bullish price section, and you can see with this liquidity grab from this channel, the price has created this impulse again. The price has come down to the same level, grab the liquidity, and we saw that there is another impulse on this lower time frame. And we see, according to our TF strategy, we already had a trade from here, and we are waiting for another bullish move. Now we see that this price action on the 15 minutes, I think that anytime we could see a local breakdown for a strong liquidity grab, and as soon as we will find on the local breakdown a suitable entry opportunity after a strong liquidity grab, we will be considering going long on gold. And what I think that after liquidity grab, we can expect the price to continue to rise. So as soon as we will find suitable entry, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. And if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button And also, don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.